Okay, we're on our way. This is better. We're on our way to the station, to the radio station. So let me just film when we're there actually. So we just got here and I'm waiting. I did not even really intro the video, but this is very neat. We are about to do a show on, actually I will film a snippet of it, and if you want to know what it's about, I'll put it in the description so you can go and check it out. But it's about, I don't know, I don't want to reveal anything. You don't have to. I'm not going to reveal it. If you want to know what we're going to talk about, then listen to the entire show, which I'll be linking in the description below. So until then, I will keep it secret. But yeah, this is it. We're here now. I'm not sure where this video is going, if this is going to be a vlog, if this is just me sharing this experience and then doing something else. I am planning to record a video on a book update since I've done a reading challenge, and I'm still trying to hit my target, but more about that later. So if I'm still in the same outfit, then you know why.
You look great, by the way.
Veronique looks great too, right? We both have headbands. Yeah, head wrap really. Yeah. So yeah, we're here. I can show you a bit around. Yeah, because we're waiting for the radio producer to arrive. So let me show you. Yeah, it is a bit raggedy. Yeah. So this is the place. It's a bit DIY, as you can see. There's lots of things happening, especially down there. Yeah, I will show you what's happening inside. Well, yeah, this is basically it. So. Okay. Bikuti, Asiko, Makosa, Bensky.
Yes, but we'll mostly be talking about the routine.
Okay.
I wouldn't be able to tell you too much about the other.
Okay.
I didn't bring the book.
Feel happy to interrupt me, because I need to say that. I'll try and remember to say that. But if I don't, let me just say
I don't
it.
want to interrupt you or anything. I'm just honest. Like I will mention them as other rhythms, other sort of traditions.
Yeah.
But this one is mostly focusing on relationship to jazz.
Okay.
But I'll mention that basically most of the artists I'm mentioning also tap into these different sort of sounds. You know, like it's not only beat or like that. Like there's so much more. Do you want to close that door? Or is it?
Oh yeah.
Just again, you're starting with talking.
Yeah. Ow. Just finished filming. How did it go?
I had fun with you.
Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, it was really lovely. Yeah, when it's out, I will let you know, and then you'll be able to listen to it. But yeah, we're going home now. I have so much stuff to do, more work to do. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So this is the place. I mean, it's not like you're ever gonna come here, but if you are, then this is the place. Okay, let's do it. good morning. I'm on my way to my hairdresser because I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna finally do my hair. I'm gonna braid my hair. I just need to figure out where I need to go. So I'm excited. I'm really excited. So I will show you how it looks like and how the process is going as well.
Little bit darker than the 2. Can you see? Can you see?
Better because did I do last time? Oh, last time I did 1. So yeah, let's do 1B. Good morning. I am trying to get everything sorted today because I'm traveling in less than 48 hours and I haven't even packed my suitcase. I still need to buy some stuff. I still need to return some stuff. I need to buy food. I barely have any food at home. And yeah, I need to print a quarantine form. I've done a COVID test and I am negative, so that's amazing. So sort out everything that I need to do, water the plants, do stuff, and hopefully I'll be able to, you know, document some of the things that I'm doing today. If not, then you'll probably see me in another country. So I'll start filming there. But for now, I'm gonna try my best and film some bits here and there. And I also need to upload or like finish my editing and upload the video that I'm currently working on. But it's been so busy that I got delayed with everything. So I'm gonna try and finish this video, trying to pack my stuff, sort out everything that I need to sort out, and hopefully I'll be ready. I'm in the final train. I'm almost home so I can eat and relax. So, waiting to arrive with my big ass suitcase. But yeah, this is me updating you. And if you don't know, I'm in the Netherlands. Hello, lovely people. I am in the library at the moment because I'm supposed to meet up with someone and record a video, and I've lost him. So I'm gonna try and find him and try and see what I can do and record a video as well. So I'll keep you updated. I'm out of quarantine and I'm in Amsterdam, so hopefully I'll be able to show you around as well. So stay tuned.
Showing some cars at the garage, huh?
We just did like a quick video, but we're gonna try again somewhere else because of the music. But I just wanted to let you know, and maybe I will show a bit of Amsterdam if it's possible. But if not, then I will probably do a different video later on. We're back at the same spot again, and we're gonna film the video and just wrap it up. I've wasted a lot of time today, been going back and forth in Amsterdam, didn't really film much, so I just want to wrap it up here. We're taking a break so we can eat a bit, and then I will see if I'm hungry later on. But this is just me wanting to wrap it up. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think, and look out for other videos to come that is more focused on Amsterdam. But for now, I want to say my goodbye. So I hope you are well. I hope you go well. I hope you stay well, and I will see you in the next video. Deuces.